From Hooked on Pickin here. I have got 3 more days worth of sales on Poshmark. This is going to be my Friday, Saturday, Sunday sales. It's quite a few, and I'll tell you why. All right, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday are some of my best days to make sales, and partly because every Saturday I usually go through and mark down lots of things in my store just to make sure that I'm not holding on to old stock. And so I usually go through and do a discount on some of the things that I think should be moving a little bit faster, and so I usually make more sales because anytime you do a discount, it sends a notification to anybody who has heart or liked each item. So let's get into what we sold. What I'm going to do is I've got my notebook here, and so anytime I give you a price, I'm going to write it down. I'll keep a tally, and at the end of the video, I'll give you a tally for my Friday, Saturday, Sunday sales on Poshmark these last few days. So this will be October 18, 19, and 20 of the year 2019. So the first thing that I sold was a really cute pair of new with tags, Cat and Jack pink Anita fashion scrunch. Let me see if I can make this screen a bit bigger. That's much better, isn't it? That way you can see kind of the all of the fees. Let's go back one more. There, you can see all of the fees. And so as you can see, my earnings there were $4.25. And I paid $2 out of a liquidation box for this, so I'm going to write down $2.25. So after fees and after my cost of purchase, that is what I paid for this very cute pair of new with tags Cat and Jack pink Anita fashion scrunch boots. So that's what those sold for. Then my next item is a black chenille sweater. Let me go ahead and zoom in on this. I earned $11 on that. So $11 is what I earned. I ended up paying about $2 out of a liquidation box. So $9 is my total profit on this black chenille sweater. Then next I've got a pair of Danskin footless tights. Those sold for $4, so I didn't make a ton in profit. My actual profit was $1.05, but they came out of a liquidation box, and so you know that was fine. I sold a lot of other things for more money on that one, so $1.05, $1 is probably what I paid, so I'm at 5 cents for that sale. But one thing you have to remember is something like the Danskin fashion tights could have drawn someone to my store, and then they will have bought something else from my store just simply by seeing this product. So the more items you have on there, the better. So here is a pair of women's Cassie black combat boots. $3.05 is what it says that I earned from my Poshmark sales. I actually paid $4 for this, so I'm at negative 95 cents on these, but there's only a few left, and I'm wanting to really get rid of this listing so that I don't have to keep sharing it. I think this might have been the last one that I sold of this black pair of combat boots. Then I've got a pair of high-rise skinny jeans that I did very, very well on. As you can see from the fees right there, I made $14.40. Let's get a closer look at some of the pictures that I took for it. High-rise skinny jeans, the brand was Wild Fable, and here are some of the photos that I chose to take for this. So they're kind of a little bit reminiscent of the 1980s, but like I said, $14.40 is what I earned, $2 is what I paid, so $12.40 for those high-rise skinny jeans. And we're still going. High-rise kick boot crop jeans. Those I made $2.05, came out of a liquidation box for about $1. This was one where I had a bunch of really, it was a huge load or pallet. So $2.05, like I said, $1 is what I paid, so I'm at $1.05 for my profits on these high-rise kick boot crop jeans by Universal Thread. Then I have some Henry Ferreira Oxford boots. $16 is what I made on those. About $4 is what I ended up paying. So I'm at $12 a profit on these really cute boots. So $12 is what I'm going to write down after my cost of purchase. But we took lots of pictures of angles, and these were nice because they did have the original boot or the original box with them, so I was able to ship it with the original box. Anytime you can do that, that's always good. Then I've got a bunch of these that I've been selling really good lately. I'm super excited. $8.25. I overpaid on these the first time I bought them, but we're still making a little bit of a profit. $8.25 is what I earned on these, and then $7 is what I paid. So I'm only at $1.25 for profit on these, but there were some other ones that I actually sold for a little bit of a better profit, and so these are really cute. I do have more in size 7.5, so check those out in my store if you're interested in purchasing those. You can get them for relatively inexpensive. Like I said, this buyer only paid $13. Then we've got some Wild Fable size small faux leather ebony leggings. So if you want that shiny shimmery rockstar look, here you go. $1 is what I paid. $2.25 is what I earned, as you can see right there. And so we're at $1.25 of profit there. And then here is a picture up close and to see exactly what they see, how shiny they are. Wild Fable, they were brand new. And so that gives you an idea of what they look like. Then I sold a pair of khaki CJ Banks 18W. These came right out of my closet. $2.05 is what I earned. So $2.05 is what I get to keep, and that's what they look like there. That's one of my older ones. Then I've got a pair of nude suede heels. $2.05 is what I paid for them. I believe these came out of a liquidation box for about $2. And so 5 cents is all I made on these, but they've been in my store for quite some time. They didn't seem to be very popular, didn't get a lot of likes, and so I was okay with just marking them down, getting them gone, and pretty much just making my money back on them. You definitely don't want to make that a trend, but you know, you don't want to be sharing something that's going to be useless. I do go through occasionally and clean out my store of anything that has not sold, but some of these low dollar items, if I can at least just make up my money, that's really good as well. Then I've got a dressy, like positive altitude size 16 outfit. $15 is what I earned on this. This came directly out of my closet as well, and so I get to keep the whole $15 of profit because it didn't cost me anything. It was just something I was going to get rid of anyway. So it has an undershirt there, and then a jacket that goes with it, and so very, very cute outfit that sold really, really well for me. And then I've got a pair of panties. $3.05 is what I earned for these slimming no lines cotton brief panties. $1 out of a liquidation box is what I paid, so $2.05 are my profit on a pair of underwear. And so then I've got this was $9.25. It's a pair of that sold for $14, but $9.25 is what I earned. A pair of skinny jeans size 16, and I paid $2 for those, so $7.25 is what I earned on these brand new pair of skinny jeans. So pretty, not too shabby on the profit on that one. Then I've got some super soft pajamas that I made $3.25 for, just plain pajama shorts. They sold for $8. They're Gilligan and O'Malley. That's a popular Target brand, but some people really, really like their Gilligan and O'Malley PJ shorts. I sold quite a few pairs in various different styles, and it's been shocking to me. So like I said, $3.25 is what I earned. I paid $1, so $2.25 is where my profit is at on those. Not too many more to go, but still quite a few. Like I said, my weekend sales are always higher than the rest of the week simply because I do a lot of discounting. So I've got a pair of Harrison Miles men's low top lace up sneakers. I sold them for $8.25. This is what they look like. I paid $4 for them, so $4.25 is my profit, but they sold really well. And the cool thing about this is I was able to use the stock photo because it was a brand new item, still came with a box, and so a stock photo was sufficient for me. Anytime it doesn't look brand new, I usually take my own pictures, but in that being able to use the stock photo, I was able to find all of the details off of another website, so that was really helpful too. I made sure the details were correct and then made the very quick posting. All right, then I've got a new with tags cover to cover. Shoulder tassels top looks like this. $2.05 is what I paid for it. or what I earned on it after it sold. I'm sorry, not what I paid for it, but what I earned on it. Just sold for $5, but that's okay. You know, sometimes you have those lower sales, but we've had this one on the store for a while, so I was glad to get it gone. $2.05, $1 is what I paid, so I'm at $1.05 of profit on that after it sold. All right, then I have had a bunch of these toddler boys Cat and Jack shoes. $2.25 is what I earned. I actually paid $4 for this, so I am at a negative $1.75 for these shoes, but I really wanted to get them gone. Kids shoes don't sell really well, and so I'd rather be sharing more high-end expensive women's clothing than to be sharing these, which I already knew right from the get-go as soon as I unboxed them that they weren't going to be good money makers for me. Then I've got $11.80 of profit that I made on this. I paid $2 for it, so I'm at $9. What did I say? $11.80. So yes, so I am at $9.80 of profit on these new without tags Alfani dress pants. Really, really sharp. The only bad thing was that it did not come with its tags, but they were in new condition. Then I've got this $9.05 is what I earned on this burgundy hooded performance jacket. $9.05, I paid $2 for it, so $7.05 is what my profit was, but a really nice jacket. This is the time of the year to be selling jackets. All right, then I've got, believe it or not, I'm still selling sandals. $2.25. This came out of a bulk liquidation box for about $2, so I only made about 25 cents on these. But it is November, or it is October, and I am selling sandals. So that's pretty crazy. So I was really excited to sell these and get them off my store because it's kind of the wrong season to have these. So only making 25 cents is okay with me. I needed to move them. I didn't want to sit on them for a whole season, and they might not be popular next year. All right, then I've got I cannot believe these things are coming back in style. Rompers are coming back in style. I feel like you have to be tall and super skinny to wear these. They would never look right on me. Anyway, really, really cute romper. It's sold for $13. As you can see, it's a really cute style. $10.05 is what I ended up earning. Let me zoom that in for you so you can see that. $10.05 right there is what I ended up earning on it. It came $2 out of a liquidation box, so I'm at $8.05 for profit on that one. Then I've got some of these black Chelsea rain boots. I made $13.60 on this. $7 is what I paid for these, and so I'm at $6.60 for my actual profit on these boots. So sometimes I make really good profit on these boots, and sometimes I don't. I think I may have officially sold out of these, but we'll see. Then this was another one that I sold for not as much, but I still made some good profit on it. $11.05 minus the 7, so I'm at $4.05 for these women's Chelsea rain boots a new day. So $4.05. Only about 4 more to go. Remember, this is just 3 days of sales, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I sold again these high-rise skinny jeans. I earned $6.25. They're kind of a stonewash look. $6.25, spent $2, and so I'm at $4.25 of profit on those jeans. Then I've got a bundle, Croft & Barrow XXL. And so this is a unique thing that I did. This came right out of my closet, so my earnings of $1.25 I get to keep. But one thing I did want to show you is that these are kind of 2 low-end shirts, and they weren't going to sell on their own. And so I made a bundle myself because they were both the exact same size and similar style. I mean, one had a pattern, and one was solid. Well, a little bit of a pattern there, but I knew that the similar style would get them to sell together, especially that they were the same price. So I bundled them myself, made a little bit more money that way, and otherwise I wouldn't be able to sell them at all. And it was just something I was cleaning out of my closet anyway. All right, then I have got a pair of Toms. Toms always sell really well. I spent $4 on these. really good pictures that I was able to find of the exact shoe that I had, and it was in brand new condition. So $24 is what I earned right here. I'll show you up close. $24 right here is what I earned. $4 is what I paid for them. So I'm at $20 of profit on those pair of Toms, which is an amazing profit on one item. So I'm actually looking into buying some more Macy's items. So you'll be seeing a lot more winter Macy's clothes on my store, a little bit higher end, going to be able to sell them for higher prices than the typical Target clothes that I have on there. And then I'll be discounting a lot of the Target clothes just like I have been in the past to get them gone so that I can be doing less work and making more money, because that's kind of the point, right? All right, then we have this new at tags Shade and Shore lightly lined halter bikini top. $2.05 is what I earned on this. $1 is what I paid, so I'm at $1.05 of profit on a bikini top that I sold in October. And then last but not least, I have this really cute gray shirt that I sold for $4.25, and I got for $1 out of a liquidation box, so $3.25. And so that's the last thing that I sold. So I'm going to go ahead and add up how many orders it was on Friday and Saturday and Sunday of October 18, 19, and 20 of 2019. And then I'll come back to you with how much profit did I actually make after fees and my cost of purchase. All right, I've got everything added up. It came out to 29 separate orders for a total profit after fees, after my cost to purchase, for $145.10 for a Friday, Saturday, and Sunday sale. So not too shabby, $145 totally straight into my pocket. So I'm super excited about that. I'm going to get these 29 items all packaged up, ready to go, and you will see them in your mailbox. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.